Hey guys, Get Level here, and today I have a fully animated overlay pack, Twitch overlay mega pack, whatever keywords you want to use. But basically, I've been working on this for the past 2 weeks, and my goal here was to make the most complete animated overlay pack that I possibly can make and keep the price low as usual. So this is going to be the presentation video where I'm not going to teach you how to do the basics, but there are a couple of details that I want to go through with you. If you want to know how to add graphics to your Twitch channel and then add animated overlays to your broadcasting software, OBS Studio, Streamlabs OBS, I have a video on that. Just click on the top right corner of your screen right now. Alright, so this animated overlay pack is called Digital, and it has about 48 files for now. I might be adding more in the future. So let's quickly go over all the files you will basically find in this pack. So when it comes to files that are animated, those are video files. Some of them are .mp4 files and some of them are WebM with transparency basically. So the pack includes, in the animated section, a starting soon screen, a be right back screen, an intermission screen, a stream ending screen, 2 blank backgrounds for you to actually customize and put whatever you want. If you want to have a different language, this is what you would use to do it. A camera overlay, 2 labels bars, 1 stacked, 1 inline, 1 transition, a stinger if you will, and 5 alert animations, the classic follow, host, cheer, sub, rate, donation. Now when it comes to static, those are images, those are .png files. You will find 2 avatar drag and drop with transparency, 1 banner, 1 offline image, 1 blank background so you can edit whatever you want, 1 camera overlay. It's the same one as the animated one, but if your computer is having problems running animated stuff, you can use that one. 6 different labels bars, and that is also for the sake of customization. You will have a bunch of different design, the stack, the inline, but also some of them are blank. So if you want to change whatever in those labels bars, you should use those because you will have clean backgrounds on them. And then 20 panels, including a blank one. Now, when it comes to customizing the panels, I've shown it multiple times, but in the product description, you will find the link to download and install the font. And then from there, you can basically customize it using whatever editing software you want or the website pixlr.com. All of this information is in the product description. Before you buy anything on the internet, you should read the product description. Okay, so this overlay pack actually gives you a lot of choice when it comes to what you want to use, but mostly when it comes to customization. As I said, I really wanted my new packs to be able to be customizable basically. So I had that in mind when creating this pack. That's why if you use the background images or videos, that's when you can add whatever text you want. Same thing for the blank overlay panel. For the transition, if you want to know how to add them, I have a video on that. Click top right of your screen right now. And last bit of information you need to know is that for the alerts, they were set to have your alerts underneath. Basically, your alert layout is going to be with the text underneath the image. So keep that in mind when you're setting it up. The best example would be with Streamlabs OBS, which is probably what I'm going to be showing you. Just click set the text underneath the layout. Now this pack is currently available at gumroad.com/getlevel, and it is a little bit more expensive than most of my packs. This one is at $5, which is technically really cheap when it comes to animated overlays. But it is my most complete and my most customizable overlay pack so far. So I really spent my time and spent weeks on it in order for it to be complete and easy to use. Don't forget that if you want to change the color, if blue is not your thing, you can use a color filter. I also have a video on that. Click on your screen top right now. And same thing for the panels, which will be in my how to customize your Twitch channel video too. So if blue is not your main color, that's not a problem. You can actually change that color to something else, to whatever you want really. Either using a color correction filter in your broadcasting software or editing the image on any image editing software or website, in this case Pixlr. And I believe that is it. If you are looking for some free overlay packs, Gumroad.com/getlevel also has a bunch of free overlay packs. So I understand that some of my viewers don't even have access to PayPal. That is why I make most of my overlay packs are free, just not this one. So click the link in the description and see if you find something that suits you. One last thing I will say is that those overlay packs are super cheap and they're meant to be accessible to people that are just starting, that don't have the funds or necessarily the drive yet to hire an artist to do commission, or they don't have the skills yet to make their own full graphic design. Okay, those are not meant to replace artists or commissions or stuff like that. You can use those, but at some point you will need to have an artist or yourself customize your own stuff so you can get your own unique graphic design and color scheme. With that being said, thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comment section below. If you're not using Streamlabs OBS yet, I will have an affiliate link in the description, so consider clicking on it and downloading it and installing it. And I will see you guys next time. Go out there, make me proud, get a level out.